In the quiet, endless darkness of space, just beyond the glow of Earth's atmosphere, NASA is preparing for a mission unlike any other one that could change the course of history forever. And what's unfolding right now could alter humanity's understanding of the moon, the solar system, and even our own origins. For decades, the moon was a distant goal, a cold, silent rock where astronauts once walked, planting flags and collecting samples, before returning to Earth with stories of silence and dust. But now, thanks to groundbreaking technology and the relentless curiosity of scientists and explorers, NASA's new mission is revealing that the moon is far from a dead world. Deep beneath its dusty surface, hidden in shadows that have never been touched by sunlight, lie secrets that could rewrite what we thought we knew about our closest neighbor in space. As the powerful rockets stand ready to launch, the world holds its breath, because what NASA's instruments are detecting on the moon's far side is baffling, even to the experts. Strange signals, subtle shifts in magnetic fields, and unexpected bursts of heat hint at something alive or at least active, something ancient but still present, buried beneath layers of ice and rock. The moonquakes recorded are different, not the natural creaks and groans of a cooling body, but rhythmic pulses, almost like a heartbeat from within. And satellites orbiting the moon have spotted structures that don't look natural geometric shapes, sharply defined edges casting shadows that change with the lunar day, as if something once built by unknown hands still waits silently beneath the surface. NASA's leading scientists are torn between excitement and dread, because if these signs point to past or even present activity, it could mean that the moon was once more than just a lifeless rock orbiting Earth. Was it a refuge for an ancient civilization? A cosmic outpost? Or perhaps a silent witness to events that shaped not only the moon but the entire solar system? As probes descend to the surface, sending back images that are both breathtaking and haunting, the true mystery deepens. Beneath the regolith, signs of technology, artifacts, or even biological traces may lie dormant, waiting to be discovered. But the moon's secrets come with risks. As strange electromagnetic waves interfere with communication, instruments malfunction under unexplained forces, and shadows move where no shadows should exist. NASA's mission teams face unprecedented challenges, equipment that defies explanation, data that contradicts known physics, and the looming question of what might happen if these secrets are disturbed. Outside the scientific world, rumors swirl, whispers of hidden bases, alien artifacts, or gateways to other worlds, and while NASA remains tight-lipped, the tension grows, the line between science and speculation blurring. The stakes are higher than ever, because what happens on the moon in the coming months could unlock answers about humanity's past and influence the future of space exploration for centuries. As the world watches, the countdown continues toward a moment that could change history forever. As NASA's mission ventures into the unknown, carrying hopes, fears, and the unyielding desire to uncover what lies beneath the lunar surface and, perhaps, to finally answer the question that has haunted humanity for generations. Are we truly alone, or is the moon the key to a cosmic story far greater than we ever imagined? Every day, the mission's progress is followed by millions, as new images, data, and mysterious readings flood NASA's control rooms, filling scientists with equal parts wonder and concern. Teams analyze every fragment of information, searching for clues and patterns of light, mineral compositions, and unexplained energy emissions, all pointing to a reality far stranger than science fiction. The mission's lead researcher often reminds the team that they are not just exploring a rock. In space, they are walking a path toward understanding existence itself. The moon, once viewed as a quiet witness to Earth's history, is now revealing itself as a living chapter in the story of the cosmos, possibly holding records of cosmic events or the remains of entities far older than human history. Yet with every discovery comes deeper questions about the origin of these structures, the nature of the signals, and the possible dangers lurking beneath the surface. The mysterious pulses could be a form of communication, a warning, or even a beacon left for future explorers, and the potential implications ripple across every field of science, from astronomy to biology, physics to philosophy. What if life, or some form of intelligence, had once thrived here, or still does in ways we cannot yet detect? How would that change our understanding of life's uniqueness and our place in the universe? Meanwhile, the moon's harsh environment tests the limits of human technology, pushing spacecraft to endure extremes of temperature, radiation, and vacuum. And every malfunction or anomaly feeds speculation about whether these strange phenomena are natural or engineered. As probes dig deeper, sensors pick up faint, unexplained vibrations, shifting shadows, and energy spikes that defy current explanations. At times, the mission seems to brush against something alive, or perhaps the remnants of something that once lived, artifacts that suggest intelligence, design, or purpose, hidden just out of reach. Behind the scenes, NASA's top scientists debate what to reveal to the public, balancing transparency with caution, aware that such discoveries could reshape not only science but society, beliefs, and future space policy. Some worry about the effects of fear and misunderstanding, while others push for bold disclosure, believing that humanity must prepare for a new era of cosmic truth. Meanwhile, beyond Earth's gaze, the moon holds its secrets close, a silent sentinel bearing witness to the unfolding drama. In the months and years ahead, as the mission continues to send back astonishing images and data, humanity will face a choice: to embrace the mysteries and risks of this new knowledge, or to shy away from the truth waiting just beneath the lunar dust. The countdown to historic discovery is on, and with it comes the hope that the moon's hidden past and secret signals will finally illuminate a future where we are no longer alone, and where the history of the cosmos becomes a story we all share. Moment the mission entered this new phase, NASA's scientists realized they were no longer just observers but participants in a cosmic mystery that stretched far beyond the moon's barren surface and into the very fabric of space and time itself. The data streaming back from the lunar probes became increasingly puzzling, with readings that seemed almost alive, patterns of electromagnetic pulses that formed complex rhythms, shapes that defied natural explanation, and shadows that appeared to move against the slow rotation of the moon. As the team pored over each byte of information, a chilling realization settled in. They were uncovering signs of a presence, or perhaps a technology, that had remained hidden for millennia, shielded beneath the regolith and silence. This presence was not passive. Subtle changes in the lunar environment suggested an intelligence, something aware and possibly waiting. The mission control rooms at NASA became a place of fevered activity, with scientists working around the clock to decode the strange signals, which at times seemed to carry messages in patterns resembling ancient codes or languages. Theories multiplied, ranging from the possibility of an ancient alien outpost to a forgotten civilization from Earth's own distant past. But no one could deny the feeling that the moon was sending a call, whether warning or invitation, nobody knew. The once clear line between science fiction and reality blurred as each new discovery brought questions that challenged humanity's place in the universe. Was this discovery a message from a long-lost cosmic ancestor, or a gateway to new knowledge that could propel humanity into an entirely different future? The probes detected structures too perfect to be natural formations, rectangular edges, symmetrical patterns, and even underground chambers revealed by gravitational anomalies and radar scans. As some probes descended deeper, they encountered energy fields that interfered with electronics but also protected whatever lay within from direct exposure. The tension grew as NASA wrestled with how to proceed should they risk further exploration, potentially awakening unknown forces, or respect the silence and mystery that had guarded these lunar secrets for so long. Public fascination exploded with rumors and theories, but behind closed doors, the real debates were about the ethical and existential implications of this discovery. Some feared that uncovering too much too fast might threaten the fragile peace of human society, while others believed that understanding these secrets was essential for survival and progress. As the mission pushed forward, the moon began to feel less like a lifeless satellite and more like a cosmic library, containing the records of an ancient intelligence or perhaps a cosmic warning from a civilization far beyond Earth's reach. The signals, once faint and barely perceptible, grew stronger and more structured, with some scientists daring to suggest they contained coordinates maps to places in deep space that could hold further answers or dangers.